Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your password in the Zalando app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zalando app. And here it opens up in the shop menu, where you can browse different trends, look at different kinds of clothes, and find what you are looking for. But we have to go into the profile menu. In the top right corner, you can see this little person icon. If you tap on this, it opens up this menu. And from this menu, you have to find in the overview category the personal details button. You tap on this, and after it loads, at the top under your name, there is a change password button. If you tap on this, then you give your old password and set a new password. And after you are done with typing in the passwords, you save, and then your password is changed. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.